Welcome! In this experience, first you will be introduced to the drowning rescue method, then you will apply your knowledge by helping a little girl drowning. Recognizing drowning victim. They're so scared and gulping water. They can't actually scream out. Their head's kind of bobbing. Their hands are flailing but tend not to make any noise. There are three main rescue methods: reach, throw, and don't go. Rescue method, reach. If the victim is close to you, you may reach out an arm to help them. If they are further away and you cannot reach them, swirl a towel around to make it more like a rope and swing an end of it to the victim. If they are even further out, you may use a leaf skimmer pole, elongate it, and reach further out to the victim. Rescue method, throw. If the victim is even further out and you can't reach them with the reach method tools, throw any item that floats to the victim to buy them time and help them paddle to safety. Rescue method, don't go. Don't swim out to victim unless you're a trained and certified lifeguard that knows how to do that safely. Stay safe so that you do not become a second victim yourself. Call for emergency help. Sophia is an 8-year-old girl who can't swim. She accidentally fell into a swimming pool. Rescue Sophia using safe methods with available tools to pull her out to safety, taking into account the victim's distance from the edge of the pool. Drowning Case 1. Sophia shows signs of drowning and is just a little way away from the side of the pool. You can go to this side of the pool and reach your hand out. Ask her to catch your hand. Drowning Case 2. Sophia shows signs of drowning and is just a little further away from the side of the pool. She can't reach your hand. Try using the swirled towel. Swing one end of it out to her, then ask her to grab the towel end. Drowning Case 3. Sophia shows signs of drowning and is just further away from the side of the pool. Use a leaf skimmer pole, extend the pole out and lower it beside her, then ask her to grab the pole. Drowning Case 4. Sophia shows signs of drowning and is even further away from the side of the pool. You can't reach her with a pole. Throw the floating device to her, then ask her to paddle and to kick her feet.